Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful granny square bag. Okay, I use 4 different color yarn, but you can use whatever you want. First you should start with magic ring. I'll do it again for you. You should chain 3 and then for double crochet yarn over, insert your hook into magic ring, grab the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again. Do this one more time and then chain 3. Now you should just 3 double crochet and then chain 3. Repeat this 3 more times until you have 4 of them. Now just slip a stitch and cut the yarn. If you want, you can use another color. Insert your hook into chain space, grab the yarn and then chain 4 times. And now just 3 double crochet in next chain space and then chain 3 and 3 double crochet and then chain 1. You should work another double crochet cluster in each chain space. 3 double crochet, then chain 3, 3 double crochet and then chain 1. just slip a stitch in the chain. Something like this. Now you should change the yarn, set your hook in the chain space and grab that yarn and then chain 3 and then 2 double crochets and chain 1. Now you should work 3 double crochet and then chain 3, 3 double crochet again and then chain 1. In next chain space, you should just work normal double crochet cluster, 3 double crochet and then chain 1. But in the corner, you should work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet and then chain 1. Now you should continue doing this pattern until the end of the row. Now just change the yarn, set your hook into the chain space and chain 4. And 3 double crochet in next chain space. Repeat that pattern again. Just continue doing this, 3 double crochet and then chain 1, and in the corner just 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet and then chain 1. Repeat this pattern again and you should have another one, and now slip a stitch and pull it up. grab your needle. You should attach these two granny squares together. And insert your needle in the back loop of it. So back loop, and then insert your needle in the back loop of another one. And repeat this pattern until the end. Now we have got this beautiful bag. You can put whatever you want in it. I hope you enjoy this pattern, and don't forget to subscribe.